Where is that sleep? Yesterday you gave me that month, Nrisimha month. There was one extra month. Yeah, what everyone sleep is. Namaste. Narasimhaya. Prahlada-maharaja. Hiranyakasipor. vakshahsila tanka-nakhalaye. Namaste. Narasimhaya. prahladahlada-dayine. hiranyakasipu. vakshahsila tanka-nakhalaye. Namaste. Narasimhaya. prahladahlada-dayine. hiranyakasipu. vakshahsila tanka-nakhalaye. Ito nrisimha parato nrisimha. yato yami tato nrisimha. bahir nrisimho. hridaye nrisimho. nrisimham adim. sabadhrita narahadirupa. Jaya Jagadisha Hari. Jaya Jagadisha Hari. Jaya Jagadisha Hari. Again repeat the first month. Namaste Narasimhaya. prahladahlada-dayine. hiranyakasipu. vakshahsila tanka-nakhalaye. Ito nrisimha parato nrisimha. yato yami tato nrisimha. bahir nrisimho hridaye nrisimha. nrisimham adim saranam prapade. Taba kara-kamala-vare nakama adbhuta-sringam. dalita hiranyakasipu. tanka-nakhalaye. kesabadrita narahadirupa. Jaya Jagadisha Hari. Jaya Jagadisha Hari. Jaya Jagadisha Hari. The first one again repeat. Namaste Narasimhaya. prahladahlada-dayine. hiranyakasipu. vakshahsila tanka-nakhalaye. The meaning of this mantra, that I offer my humble obeisances to Lord Nrisimha, who is the source of bliss to Prahlada. But Hiranyakasipu Vaksha, his father Hiranyakasipu, on his chest, the nails of his finger is just like chisel cutting the stone. The same personality of Godhead is prahladahlada-dayine. Ahlada means pleasure. For Prahlad, prakishtarupena ahlada, Prahlad. A devotee is, being always in Krishna consciousness, naturally is in blissfulness. And still more when he meets or associates with his Lord, still more blissfulness. That is the position of the theist devotee. Whereas the atheist non-devotee he is always feeling like a strike of the chisel, like what is called stone cutting chisel. Nakha, nakhalaye, simply by the nails of his finger.